Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a more natural looking part in your wig. The wig that I'm going to be using as an example to show you how I get a more natural parting space is the Rihanna wig. You may remember me doing the video on the squiggly brows. That's the wig that I had on. That's the wig that I'm using as an example for this video. It's not a lace front wig. It's more of a full cap, but it has lace right where the L part is. And you'll be able to see it better as I'm showing you how to do that. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. All right, so what you're gonna need, your wig, some lace glue, and this is the Lace Wig Bond Extreme Hold 30-second lace wig glue. A cap, flesh colored or white people nude, because you know this ain't black people nude, but if they got it darker you can get that, but I just got this one because that's what they had. Scissors and a comb. Alright, so first you're gonna start off flipping the wig inside out. Then you just want to cut the cap. All you really need is a piece of it. You don't need the whole thing. So cut a piece of your cap. I just cut the head part off like that. If I drop those scissors one more time, and you just give it a, just check the fit. But make sure that whatever part you put, that seam, make sure that seam is not directly going to be the part that's showing on the lace, because you don't, that's not what you want. You want it to be something like that. You know, you don't want that seam from the cap to be right on the lace, because it's going to give it a hump. You don't want no hump. Alright, just take the lace glue, put it directly on that part. Put it directly on that lace. Rub it in there. Alright, now that we got the glue on that part, we're going to take the stocking cap, stretch it out, and lay it right on top of there. Right on top. And then take your comb, rat tail comb or whatever comb, and just press it right in. Just keep pressing it on in, pressing it on in, because as you're pressing, it's actually filling in those holes and those grids that's so visible on the wig. You don't gotta worry about your man getting close to you and seeing all those squares on top of your head. It's gonna be a dead giveaway. That is not what we want. No, ma'am. No grids. Alright. Now you just take your scissors You just cut off all that extra cap. And if you can do this and it's not coming off, then that means she's ready to be cut. She ain't going nowhere. Just cut all of that extra cap off. Just like that. I'm gonna cut it a little closer near the front of the wig. Until she look like that. Yeah, I don't know if a lot of people notice this, but some parts, like a natural part, is not going to be dark as your skin. Like your parting is usually a little bit lighter than your skin. So you don't want to have a really brown part because that might give it away depending on your skin tone. So I would say part your hair, your normal hair, and see what color your scalp is, and then try to match your concealer based off of the color of your scalp instead of the color of your skin. That way, you know, you don't want to be giving yourself away, but there it is.
Hey guys, so I realized that I didn't even show you a before picture of what the Rihanna wig looked like before I customized the part. So I snagged a picture from online just so you can get an idea of what the part looked like before. As you can see that it is an L-shaped part, but it's not very well defined, so you can't really see it that well. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like after. We went ahead and customized it. As you can see now, you can clearly see that part. It's matching well with my skin tone. It's actually a bit lighter than my skin tone, like how a natural part is supposed to be. So that is the tutorial. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and leave it in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day, you guys. Bye.